Hey guys, my name is TV, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made, and I'm still making a couple $1,000 selling t-shirts on Etsy. In this video, coming up. Hi guys, my name is Yepes, and I use the brand Next Level to print on my t-shirts. And you're thinking about going online and opening up an Etsy shop so that you could sell online or any platform. I'll show you the equipment I'm using. This is a flash dryer that you will need, some screen printing inks, different colors. You can mix it up. Of course, you need a press, a screen printing press, some platens and t-shirts. Squeegees, different sizes. Make sure that your equipment is tight and so that it could do its job well. And this is I'm performing a sample of me using a screen with the inks. And this is a process of print, flash, and cure. Print it and cure it with the flash dryer. On the next video, I'll do a video of how to do this all step by step. I recommend that you check your Etsy shop every day, or you get a notification on your phones that you could get your sales. I am at $14,409 sales revenue so far. Once you print your shirts and ready to pack, I'm using the poly plastic bags. Go to the nearest post office and drop them off, and boom, you're done. Happy customers. Go out there and make your case, bro. Thanks for watching this video. Yepes, printed in San Diego.